What are the X factors in Tripura Assembly Election 2023? The Tripura Assembly elections 2023 are likely to be influenced by several factors. Here are some of the potential X factors that could shape the outcome of the elections. Performance of the incumbent government. The performance of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) government led by Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb will be a key factor. If the government has been successful in delivering on its promises and addressing the issues faced by the people, it may improve its chances of winning the election. Anti-incumbency factor. However, if the government has failed to address the concerns of the people and is facing widespread dissatisfaction, then there could be an anti-incumbency factor, which could work against the BJP in the election. Opposition alliances. The opposition parties, including the Congress and the Communist Party of India, Marxist, are expected to form an alliance to take on the BJP. The effectiveness of this alliance and its ability to mobilize the electorate could be a decisive factor in the election. Identity politics. The election could also be influenced by identity politics, particularly in the tribal-dominated areas of the state. The Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura, IPFT, which is a key ally of BJP, may demand more rights and representation for the indigenous people of the state. Impact of national issues. The outcome of the 2023 Assembly elections in Tripura could also be influenced by national issues such as the farmers' protest, rising fuel prices, and the handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Voter turnout. The voter turnout is also a crucial factor that could influence the outcome of the election. Higher voter turnout usually benefits the opposition parties as it indicates greater enthusiasm among voters to effect a change. Overall, the Tripura Assembly election 2023 is likely to be a closely contested affair, and the above factors could play a crucial role in shaping the outcome of the election.